Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna show you guys how to reset the oil life on 2013 Mercedes GL350. Okay, so I have my key here. I'm gonna put it in the ignition, and you basically want to just go one turn, ignition one. Alright, so once you're there, you want to use this toggle here, right? You want to go to the mileage. There, you want to stay there, and what you want to do is you want to press this call button, and you want to press OK. So briefly press this first, and then press the OK, and then hold it for a good seconds, and then something will show up. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this because I only have one hand, so I'm holding the camera at the same time. So I'm gonna press the call button and then the OK button. There you go. So now you're in there. Now what you want to do is you want to go to Assist Plus, and then go to Full Service, and then go to Confirm Full Service, and then you press the OK. So you're basically pressing OK to confirm, right? So when you're selecting, you press OK. So at this point of time, I have to press OK. So it's basically just asking me what grade of oil I use. So I use that. I'm gonna press OK. OK. Service carried out. Yes. So you go down. Right. So I went down with the cursor and then press OK to confirm. Cannot be undone. So just asking you to confirm that. So there you go, full service carried out. That's done. If you guys like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and ring the bell. Thanks guys.